Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Titanic pets in Pet Sim 99. To begin, your primary goal should be to consistently hatch the rarest eggs found in the game's final zones. Equip every luck enchantment and potion you possess to maximize your chances. Always engage with new game updates and special events, as these often introduce unique opportunities for rare pet acquisition. This consistent effort is key to success. To significantly boost your chances, ensure you have equipped at least 8 luck enchantments across your active pets. Combine these with powerful luck potions, which can be purchased or found, and any relevant game passes that enhance rarity. Dedicate long, uninterrupted sessions to opening eggs, as sheer volume increases your odds of encountering an ultra-rare pet. Consistency in these methods is crucial. Beyond hatching, consider strategic trading. Accumulate a substantial amount of in-game currency, perhaps several billion gems, to trade for a Titanic pet directly or for high-value pets that can be traded up. Always keep an eye on special game events. These often introduce limited-time eggs or unique reward systems that might offer a more accessible path to these coveted pets. Finally, remember that obtaining a Titanic pet is a marathon, not a sprint. Maintain persistence and consistency in your daily gameplay, even if progress feels slow. Engage with the Pet Sim 99 community through forums or social media. Players often share valuable tips and insights. Dedication is paramount, and with these strategies, your chances of acquiring one will significantly increase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.